What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at Nvidia stock. Guys, let's go over the performance of Nvidia. Things are looking so bullish, even though is it the earnings effect? Is it the that whole thing is coming round circle again? Earnings are coming out, and as I have been saying, that analysts will come day after day, each and every day to keep push the price up, keep pushing the price up. They are coming back, right, with all these upgrades, right? I covered in the morning, and I can show you some here. Wells Fargo and CICC. Here you go, right on the bottom right corner here. So yeah, but hey, as you know, I don't follow the analysts, I trade with the technicals, and that's what I'm here to teach you as well, right? So Nvidia, guys, this awesome performing stock has been holding that very level that we have been talking about, 883 and 887. Even in the morning, I talked about that particular area to watch out. And this area, guys, is the pivot, right? And not just that, this is not just the pivot, it's a bullish pivot, and we have had a bull flag here. And Nvidia, not just, as I said, not just this pivot only, we have it right over here, a support of 50 days moving average, support of 20 days moving average, right? And on hourly interval, we are finding that support from the trend line as well, and 200 hours moving average, constant support. So things have been bullish, and I have been saying that, guys, unless it's not losing 50 days moving average, unless it's not losing this area of 887 and 803, unless it's not losing this trend line and 200 hours moving average, this thing is still bullish. All pullbacks are being bought back up on this, and I told you that if 906 and above we break, expect a continuation to the upside. You can see how well even our levels work. All these marked by my indicator automatically. Once we broke out of 906 today, we came down, but found support where? $906. We found support and another push up, right? Nvidia is fully bullish. I really quickly want to show you as well my day trading bot. Awesome performance, great. We got a great position, made great exits as well by the day trading bot, looking great. If you need access to my tools, links in the description below. I have 2 indicators, 2 trading bots, and Wall Street alerts. Also, I want to show you the day trading bot on QQ and SPY as well. Good moves. We got even out of the choppiness properly, net profitable, made good money. Even on SPY, net profitable, and even on the pullbacks, bot didn't get scared. All right, bot was still resilient and gave the profitable position. So all in all, good day. Right, I did a video on Tesla before this as well, profitable trades by my day trading bot over there as well, so check that out if you're interested. Anyways, just wanted to show you this. Nothing is guaranteed. You can see red days as well, but as I say, the bots, well, they do their best to make net profitable positions, and you can see last 30 trades have been net profitable, right? But again, there will be red days. That's the art of managing stop loss and risk management. You have to have a stop loss, and bot is designed with stop losses of such type. Anyways, that's that. Let's continue with our technicals, right? So very simple. What is Nvidia telling us now? Well, guys, it is bullish, period. And until earnings, we have earnings next week, right? Like Nvidia can be just keep being pumped up, like analysts are coming up with price upgrades, blah blah blah, right? Again, but we are trading with technicals, and technicals are telling us what? Nvidia is bullish, right? 906 and above, as long as we are above that, or you can even watch now $909. Even if we are above that, this is just a pullback zone. If any pullback comes, Nvidia has a room to go to 922 tomorrow possibly, and if we break that, then guys, we are most likely testing until earnings, especially 975. Nvidia is looking like it's going in that direction, right? That 975 is where that is pretty much that here all-time highs, right? So yeah, full on bullish, guys. I have been saying since the time we changed the structure here, started forming pivots and holding 824. This has been in an uptrend. I have been saying this, and that it has constantly been staying above that 887 and $883 level, and yeah, it is still bullish. Structure break will only happen if we lose 50 days moving average, if we lose $887 or $883 range, or if we lose, and we lose this on hourly interval, this ongoing 200 hours moving average, which is hidden behind right now the trend line because it's just being so closely tied up, right? And everything, right? So this area, right? So yeah, structure is fully bullish. Even if tomorrow Nvidia loses 906, intraday, yes, might come lower, but on swing, it is still not becoming bearish. Bulls have a lot of strength and room and buffer to play Nvidia. Structure is bullish as long as we're above 909 and 906 tomorrow. It's just an upside game and an uptrend. And yeah, we'll say again, whichever position you take, that's your choice, but have a stop loss regardless. Okay, if follow the structure, take position in the side of the structure, and have a stop loss where the structure is breaking. So in this particular case, structure is breaking, but you can have your buffer wherever you want, but structure intraday will start breaking again to the downside if we lose 906. But swing 883 and above, we are still bullish. And then yeah, it's right now I'm just seeing an upside on Nvidia, so it's unstoppable. Looks like until earnings, Nvidia might remain unstoppable, and 975 looks like a range that it can go to. All right, just my opinion, only educational opinion, not a financial advice. You go and do whatever you want to do. All right, let's take a look at let's go over AMD and other semiconductors as well. So AMD guys, seems like this is going to, well, I'm still like I still have like 55% short position on this, and I think tomorrow I'm just going to get out of it if I don't see a red rejection at this 20 days moving average, or I just, yeah, seems like AMD is forming a pivot here now, and this may go up from here, and that will bring it up to 162. So most likely tomorrow, well, tomorrow if I'm not seeing it go below 20 days moving average, if I'm not seeing it anywhere around 151, I will fully get out of this position. I'm still net profitable on this because I did take some partial profits out at my 50% range of this move. But then remaining position, that is short position remaining, is 55%. That is, there's a drawdown on this, and I would like to get out if tomorrow I'm not seeing a structural continuation. And this to me seems like there is some potential of rebound back again to the upside is going to come on AMD. Let's take a look at ARM. So a little bit rejecting at the upper side of the channel, and where we have that 50 days moving average as well. So again, take the profits in extension. Time to get in was around here at the bottom of the channel when I was talking about these pivots are forming, even around this candle and 20 days moving average. That was the time to take the position. This is the time to start sizing out, because if a pullback comes, you can try to reload in the pullback as long as it stays above $110, and then take levels by levels profits as well. ARM will have much more room. Again, we will have to see if it starts forming consolidation here, because this is definitely this previous zone of a resistance, a flush zone, a supply zone. And so if this resistance have to act, it has to act 120 or below. But right now price structure is not showing me any of that on ARM, and even hourly interval looking strong to me. Today is a bit of a lighter day on this, but if it continues to hold the level of 115, this is still bullish. If we lose 115 tomorrow, some cool off you can expect. That is the pullback then you can expect to the middle of the channel or 109 again. On the swing side, that's just a pullback. That's why take profits in the extensions on the swings as well. All right, that's ARM. Let's take a look at Broadcom. Broadcom seems like unstoppable. Wow, yeah, this is looking like it's, yeah guys, it is changing the structure, pretty much changed the structure to the upside. And you can see, as I talked about, this was the trend line to watch, and this time this got out of the trend line. I talked about in the morning video as well that this time most likely it's showing the structure of the upside. Yeah, right now it's not bearish, it is bullish, period. It's been bullish intraday at least, and now it has even gotten out of that trend line rejection structure. SMCI, let's go over there. Let's go to the daily interval. So yeah, I have a short position on this as well, and I'm in the drawdown. I did size out some today, but I still have a short position open on this. Let me actually mark this out, how much position I have left open on it. 80% short remaining on this right now. So, I mean, I have had a lot of profitable trades on this. Out of 9 trades, I have, what, 7 big moves, profitable trades on this. And I think this one, it's tomorrow. I think I'll have to get out of it, guys. This to me looks like a pivot. If tomorrow I'm not seeing it dipping below 20 days moving average, I'm getting out of it, regardless of if the next day it comes down. I don't care. But as for where the price action is, to me, it's looking a strong pivot. And yeah, it has closed above 20 days moving average as well. So I think I'll have to get out with whatever, just minimal loss that I got on this. I might have to just get out of it. So that's that. I had a chance today to get out fully at break even. Like the sum of the 20% that I covered in the profit today, I could have just gotten out a little bit. I mean, it's not going to be a big loss if I'm able to get out in a little bit of a pullback or something, but I had a chance to get out on this in the break even, but I didn't. Yes, I didn't because I'm also a regular trader, guys. I mean, I can, I have, bit technical. Sometimes I would have some hopes as well. No, just kidding. Well, yes, I mean, I have my emotions as well. This is the part of disciplining yourself, and but the thing is that, guys, it's fine for me to take these risks when I have built the buffer already after so many positions. So it's fine for me to take some risk. I'm still in the drawdown. The thing is that, bottom line, the stop loss maximum limit that I have, beyond that, no tolerance. Gotta fully get out regardless of whatever it is. But I'm just giving it some leeway, some room, that's it. But tomorrow I'll fully get out, whatever that would be, if I'm able to get a break even. Otherwise, that loss would be very small though, because some I have already taken out in the profit, but that's just 20%, and remaining 80% is running in the drawdown right now for me. Anyways, Micron, let's take a look at that. So yep, as I said, guys, this thing is still, again, look, on this one, I took a short play a while ago and made a good move, good money on this, right? And whatever remaining position was, like, even though I covered like 80% of position down until here, remaining 20% I got out here, because why? I said that, guys, structure is changing back to the upside above 114. And then since then we have been bullish, and even lately on intraday I have been saying, as long as we are holding the support at 121 and 46 cents, we are still bullish, and we have been bullish. We got to the next level. Now next level is possibly, again, have a stop loss regardless, but right now structure is bullish as long as we are not breaking below from where the price is right now, below 121 and 55 cents. If you're not breaking below that, structure is still bullish. Guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I did QQQ and SPY, just high level. I talked about it in my Tesla video. Check my Tesla video out. You can find QQQ and SPY there. And also, guys, if you are interested to follow along in my journey of this dividend investing portfolio that I'm building, then check out this channel of mine, Junior Trader Dividend Investing. That will show you everything as how I'm building my dividend portfolios, guys. Alrighty, guys, with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.